Hi humans, welcome to the Architects Workshop. I'm Lola Ofto. Previous episodes of the free Revit 101 course are linked in the top right hand corner on your screen. Just click on the eye. Now that we've created our 3D view and we've seen, let's put in a little bit of furniture. So let's go to our ground floor and we're going to put a chair, a coffee table somewhere around here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Architecture tab, click on Components, click Load Family. Go to that folder where you downloaded the project from, and then we're going to look for this armchair. We're going to click Open. So just click your tab key, drop this here, click your tab key again, drop this here, drop this one here, and then escape. So select these two objects, drag them back a little bit. So we want this one to be a long chair, but I don't have the long chair component of this one. So I'm going to show you a little trick. If you click on this chair, click on Edit Type, Duplicate, name it Curve 2, okay? So we're going to double the width of this chair. So we're going to change it to 1800. And you just say, okay. And you see, just like that, you have a long chair without having to download a separate furniture. This is what we have now. So just adjust your chairs, but we still need a coffee table. So just go to Components. Remember, Control S is your friend. Go to Components, go to Load Family. We're going to go back to that same place, and then we're going to click Table Coffee, Open. Okay, so we're going to put this one somewhere here. And if you see that this one has a drop down, so if you go down, you see that there are other variations of this coffee table. So if you select it, go to the properties panel, you can change it to a different variation. And I think I like how long this one is. We're going to leave it at this. So let's see what we have in 3D. This is nice. So same thing, you can choose to edit the height of the table. Since it's looking a bit high, you can choose to edit the height of the table the same way we edited the chair. So just click on Edit Type, Duplicate. Okay, so we're going to change the height to 300 and we're going to click OK. So you see, we've been able to easily make our table shorter, which looks more appealing. So that's it for putting chairs and furniture in your space. I'll leave a link for where you can download free components for Revit. So just download as much as you want and just try putting up and try filling up your space. So this is what we can see. So this is the part we've done. Control S is your friend. So next thing we want to do is create a little ceiling here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to first floor under ceiling plans. And then we're going to click on ceiling. So you can automatically create a ceiling by using this automatic ceiling, or you can sketch one. So we're just going to click on automatic ceiling. So you see this red part that's highlighted is telling you, oh, if you just click, I'll generate a ceiling quickly for you. So if you click on that, you see that a ceiling is quickly generated. So just click escape. So if you go to our 3D view, we see that this is the ceiling we have. So if you select it, you can just change the type of ceiling it is. So any type of ceiling you want with any properties, you can adjust it anyhow you want. So I'm just going to leave it on generic ceiling, but you see that the height is too low. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on it on your properties panel. This one that says height offset at 2000, we're going to adjust it to maybe 3000. And we're going to click apply. So you see that we have created our ceiling, but now the problem is the ceiling is showing on the outer part of the curtain wall. So how do we cover that up? An easy thing we can do is just create a mini extrusion to cover up on this wall. We're going to go to our first floor level. We're going to click on components. We're going to click on model in place. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on walls and we'll click OK. So you can name the wall cover wall or something. So just click OK on that. So we're going to create and we're going to pick extrusion. So what we're going to do is just click on this line and then click on this exterior line, click on this one, then click on offset. We're going to offset it by maybe 75. Just offset here, offset here. So just click on this line and you're going to click on this line. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to trim and extend. TR is a shortcut, so just click on that and click on that, and we're just going to click on this and click on this and click on this and click on this. So when you're done, just click OK. When you go to your 3D view, you see that your extrusion point is here, so we're going to change it. Just drag it up, right, and drag it up, so it's just going to cover this point. So you just adjust your view and drag it up again, and voila, we've created a cover for that point. So just adjust it as necessary. So just click finish and you're done with that. So now we can put in our chandelier. So go to our first floor level. We're going to pick on architecture, go to components, load family, go to where your folder is, and just look for the chandelier option, gold chandelier here. Going to click open. So any point close to this window, just put your chandelier. So when we go to our 3D view, escape, we can see our chandelier, but it's not particularly hanging from the roof. It's just freestanding like a winch. So just click on it. We're going to set the level to roof, and we're going to click apply. Then we're going to click the offset and go to minus maybe 1000, and we're going to click apply. So that's not enough. We're going to set the offset to minus 2000 and apply. So when we set the offset to minus 2000, we see that it works. So we're just going to go to our 3D view that we created, our selfie view, and we see that this is what we have created so far. So we've been able to put in our furnitures, able to make our ceilings, we did a little extrusion, and we've put in our pretty chandelier. In the next episode, we're going to learn how we can create legends, name our rooms, create sheets, edit sheets, print and export your work basically. Signing out is Lola Ofto.